Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create platform events in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these steps. So first, we need just to go to our setup, and from there, we need to go to setup. Then we need just to search for platform events. So here, let's just type platform, and we need just to search for the platform events. So here we can find the platform events, and then we can start creating our new ones. So from here we can find these custom events. We click new platform events, and then you can publish immediately after here, or you can publish after the commitment. And of course, here you can choose also the deployment status. Either it would be in development or deployed. So let's make it in development. You choose, give it a name, of course, some uh, whatever you like, and then you can name it my events. Then we can use my events, and after that, we will need just to click on save. So from here, we need just to click this, and as you can see, you can start adding custom fields, relationships, triggers, and subscriptions. So from there, you can create fields for them, or for this platform event, and you can add a checkbox, dates, etc., or whatever you like. So from here you are able to create your custom events. So basically this is how you can do it. And simply, if you want to start editing whenever you want on these events, you will need just to go again and click on edit, and you will be able to start changing the status or all the elements of these events. So from here, you can come and add some new triggers, some new subscription, etc. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.